Okay, so in the last video, we would have looked at how to bisect an arc, how to bisect an angle, construction of the 60-degree angle, construction of the 120-degree angle. Now, at this point, we are going to build on the knowledge that we had previously. Okay, so if we go back to this question here, we would notice that we already constructed a 60-degree angle, and we would like to construct a 30-degree angle now. Now in your mind, you're supposed to be saying half of 60 is 30. So basically, we would go back to one of the very first concepts that we looked at, which was bisecting an angle. And bisecting, as we know, means dividing that angle into two equal parts. So simply, one question literally builds on the other, right? So seeing that we already covered this, let's just copy this information here. Okay, so now I could delete this line. So we are at this point. So we know this arc here represents the 60-degree angle. So let's continue. So we're going to go to the construction lines layer, and we just did that copy and paste to save time. Okay, but you know, if we are given a question in an exam where we have to construct a 30-degree angle, we'll have to start from scratch. So using point 1 as center, I'm going to gauge somewhere here. So I can use 45 and try my first arc using the arc tool a second time. Ensure that we see the intersection symbol, which is an X, and not a triangle, which is for midpoint. So we saw our X there, meaning intersection, and we're going to try another arc at 45. Now we can go to the object line layer, and we could select here all the way back to A. Now let's check this angle and see what we have. And there we have it, our 30-degree angle. Now, after constructing our 30-degree angle, we want to construct a 15-degree angle now. Yep, and just as you taught it, we are going to bisect the 30 in order to get the 15, because we know 15 degrees is half of 30 degrees. So once again, we need all this information here. We could copy, select, and I'm going to copy from point A. I'm going to paste on point B. Now this line here is very important. So we are going to put this line as a construction line. Yeah? Because we need this 30-degree line here in order for us to get this 15-degree line. So we go to center, start, end. And from this point here, we're going to scribe our arc. So we don't need a big arc this time. So we can scribe 30. And this is obviously going to be on the construction layer. And we're going to use the arc tool again, using this point as center, where this 30-degree line cuts the first arc. We're going to use that point as center, and we're going to scribe our 30. And now we are going to go back to the object line layer, and we're going to draw a line from point of intersection all the way back to A. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure that angle here to confirm it's 15 degrees. So basically, we are actually building on the information that we have already learned in the past. So you see how quickly we have the 60-degree angle, we have the 120-degree angle, which we constructed in the first video. And then we went on to get the 30-degree angle, the 15-degree angle, and now let's look at the 90-degree angle. Okay, so the questions we're supposed to be asking ourselves is, 1, we know how to get the 60-degree angle, and then we know how to get a 120-degree angle. So let's just say this portion here is 60 degrees, and we have this portion here as 60 degrees, right? And we know 60 from 90 is 30. So we know 30 represents half of 60. So if we have this angle here and we bisect this angle into two equal parts, we can possibly construct our 90 degrees. So let's just borrow this information that we have here. Copy selection. I'm going to copy from the point of A again, and I'm going to paste it here. Alright, now this line is not needed. So we know this entire angle here represents 120. So let's bisect. So from this point as center, we're going to scribe our arc here, and let's say I scribe my arc at 40. And now I'm going to scribe my other arc from this point here at 40. And now we can switch back to object line and connect this point to this point. So remember to have your questions evenly spaced for aesthetics. Okay, so from this construction here, we would be able to get a 45-degree angle if we bisect this 90 degree, and we can also use the 60-degree angle here to get our 75. So hopefully in the next video we are going to look at that.